Our Poseyville, Indiana location on Main Street is built for performance. The 25,000 square foot shop is home to our repairs and maintenance team, handling everything from large-scale rebuilds to quick-turn weld repairs. Their strength is versatility, with the experience to work across industries, equipment, and critical systems. Capabilities include heavy equipment, welding, refurbishing, mechanical repairs, quick response fabrication, and small machining. Directly behind the main shop is our dedicated pipe fabrication operation. This team focuses on R-stamp pressure system work, supporting certified repairs, system upgrades, and complete pipe rebuilds. From code-compliant welding to full system replacement, the operation is built to handle high-spec, high-risk work where it matters most. When the work can't wait, we bring the shop to the field with fully equipped welding service trucks, a mechanic truck, and a portable line boring machine. We are ready to make precision repairs on site and get operations running without delay. Beyond repairs, Main Street also operates our metal sales center. Here we stock stainless, aluminum, and carbon steel, available in both discounted and new material. We offer a wide selection of metal products to support everything from everyday jobs to large industrial projects. With processing equipment, we cut size and shape material to exact specifications, ready when customers need it. This site is also home to our field coatings team. Backed by AMPP NACE certified inspectors and a fleet of specialized equipment, the team tackles blasting, painting, and industrial coatings at scale. Multiple trucks and trailers, mobile compressors, blast rigs, and plural component reactors give us the firepower to handle anything from tank linings and secondary containment to polyurea, fireproofing, insulation, and heavy industrial painting. Main Street stands as a landing point for multiple capabilities: repairs, metal supply, field services, and coatings. Driven by the people and the assets to keep America running.